Everyone, is Kelly Sonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, basically today we're gonna be talking about trading section, right? So you all should know that in forex trading we have different trading sections and like different time, right? So basically that's what I'll be talking about today. But before that, I want to be showing you guys um market, like my market overview or review for the week. Today is actually Monday, 15th of August 2022. So basically, this is my MT4. So let me open the chart on MT4 on Euro USD, right? As you can see here, MT4 Euro USD on the, so this is USD card actually. I want to open Euro USD. So Euro USD on the daily time frame. You see as price actually tried to actually what, look, if you watch closely here, you see price actually what, ranging. Then this was actually, will I say, is a manipulation, but like this is a low that was tested, right? So we might actually end up seeing a distribution, like price going lower to take out this low before we see a reversal to the uptrend, right? So basically that is that for Euro. Let me check here on trading view. So checking here on trading view, let me close this. So basically this was my point of interest. Although today was Monday, I told them I will not be taking any buys today. Maybe tomorrow might end up being a bullish day, right? But like today on the daily time frame, you can see we are actually what, going lower and tanking overall. So like coming here, overall, my overall analysis is from the dollar index basically. So let me just talk about the dollar index and actually what I'll actually go back to the daily trading sections. So here on the dollar index, as you can see on the daily time frame, literally trying to trying to break structure here. Once price breaks structure higher, remember there is a change of character and I will not actually consider the buys again. But overall, price actually broke structure lower here, so I don't expect price to take out this low so that we can actually what, go lower. You understand? So basically that is that for now. So literally look at what I'm looking out for price to literally reach here without not breaking higher, then come down. Yeah, come down. Okay, let me show you guys a screenshot basically I took. Okay, a screenshot. I don't know why this is not actually rotating. I don't know. Or let's go over to our Telegram. Okay, let's go back to our Telegram so that I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So I need this to rotate. Yeah, so this is the Telegram VIP group. Okay, yeah, as you can see right here now. Okay, as you can see right here, this was on Sunday. I told them my game plan. Without plan breaking this high, I want to see price go up here, then starts coming down, right? But now price is actually trying to what, break this high. So if price breaks this high, you understand, I'll just wait for a pullback to actually taking out this actually, because it's a change of character we are seeing currently on dollar index, and this implies also on USD card, on Euro USD, on everything. Now this was a plan on Euro USD, but currently Euro USD broke lower, so waiting for a pullback to actually go lower. That is just it. You wait for the market to react for you to act. Well, enough of the showings, right? So like if you actually want to learn more, do well to join the VIP group, because the links are the video description below. I dropped all the link below, so you do well to use the links there if you want to join our VIP group to learn more. That is great also, right? So currently here I'm seeing price trying to break, but it's not like it have not break actually. So Tuesday, I don't really trade on Mondays, right? Many reasons behind it, so that is why waiting for Tuesday to see what happens during New York section, you understand, to enter the market. So let's focus back on the trading trading sections, right? So let me go to my Google Chrome. Okay, basically this is my Google Chrome. For those that don't know their trading section or anything, you understand, for those that like they don't really actually understand trading section, so this website is forex time zone converter.com. so you come here, you choose your time zone. You understand, you choose your time zone. My own is in GMT. Yes, my time zone currently in GMT, right? So in GMT, these are the forex market. these are the time zone, these are the open, these are the close, these are the status. So currently now Germany is open, right? London, we are in London session. Then New York session is coming very, very soon. You understand? And remember, New York session is from 12, but like, and that is also where London close. London closes by 3 p.m. But overall, when the volatility comes to the market is what? Around 1:30 that is 1:30 GMT, 1:30 p.m. GMT, or 2:30 or 3:30, you understand, depending if there is fundamentals in the market to drive the market. So much volatility actually comes in London New York overlap, you understand, when London session is active and New York session is also active, right? So that is when you see the volatility, that is where you see the major move happen in the market, right? So basically, trading session is what you should have in mind as a trader. And also remember, your time zone really matters a lot, right? So anywhere you're trading from, you should actually bear your time zone in mind. Check what is, some people stay up overnight just to trade, right? But like for my time zone now is really, really great, especially people in London, and that is GMT overall, GMT time zone, you understand, and it's really, really great, you understand. But like for people in New York, most of them don't really trade London. It's just there, and you have to wake up early, right? Because that New York opens around 8:30 a.m. They have to really wake up early to trade. Why us is during our afternoon. You understand? Like, so time zone really matters in forex, and putting it into consideration in your trading really helps a lot. So like this now, you can see price. Let me go back to my trading view. Let me show you how I can actually use time zone knowledge or anything I have to actually get more, like, understand the market more, because this is price action. If you're learning price action, price action, you should understand what price does with respect to what time. So currently now, market has been in this big range, especially EU, because I prefer trading. Not like I prefer trading, it's good to focus on few. So market has been in this big range, right? And now we actually see price breaking lower, and this high was not actually taken out. Look up. So this is pure price action. You don't really have to mark out much things if you actually know what is going on. So this is called SMS swing failure happened here, right? At the top here. Price failed to what? Break higher. Assuming price break higher without taking out this low, you should have said yes. And overall, I took this sell actually, because you can see here there is a clear break of structure. I don't know whether I'll just keep adding these things for you guys to keep seeing, but like from here now, you see that price actually broke lower. From here now, there is a break of structure. My line shouldn't be straightened. I hope you understand what I'm saying, and that is just the main thing. So there is a break of structure here. So once you see a break of structure like this, what do? Is either you use your FIB, or you wait for a retracement at least 50% of this candle, then you start selling. And where will be your first TP? This equal lows here, this liquidity pool, your order block, anything you can call it. This is your TP1. So anybody that took this trade now, just from this simple knowledge of waiting for price to break low, you saw what, basically, let me measure the pips actually from here now down to this place, this low. This is 93 pips. Massive, right? But it took days to actually happen. That is if you held overnight. But regardless, you could have actually gotten 50 pips from that trade alone. So just with this simple knowledge, you saw a break of structure, you wait for a pullback, you enter the sell. Simple. Like, you are not actually like having more stuff. But now, if you want to break it down further, you check for the time zone where it happened. You understand, because it really matters. So dropping down to a 1 hour time frame, let me see when this break of structure happened, and like how you should have traded it. So let me draw this line properly here. We drew it on a higher time frame, like it wasn't that clear. But seriously, I just guess, I hope everybody's understanding what I'm actually talking about, right? My line, I don't like this stress of drawing lines, but like, I don't even know how to put this slide properly. This is not my PC, so that is why it's actually like this. But you are seeing what I'm actually showing you guys, right? Like, you see that there is a break. Price broke this low. Remember, this thing was a low. This was a low, right? This was a low, and price failed to actually break higher. See this thing in price this way. Then some people would actually started selling from here, but now if people that sold from here, they'll be like, let them put their stop loss there, and price taking them out before actually coming down low. So all these stuffs are actually what you have in mind, right? So I was trying to show you when the pullback happened, and I believe this is the clear pullback. Let me check the time. This was the clear pullback. This was around 12, right? You see, this was London close 12 August 2022 by 12 p.m. So by 12 p.m. we saw price what rallying up. Remember, it's a bearish, like price wanted to go down, but like New York open, we saw price going up. You understand? So that price going up is to show you that yes, New York session also provided opportunity for you to enter a sell for those that did not enter during London. You understand? So during 1:30, you can see this next candle should literally be one or two. This next candle. So this is 14, this is 2 o'clock. So by 2 o'clock, New York session also, because New York session now started from here. This pullback, this is 2. Then 2 o'clock to, let me say from 12 to 2. This is one hour time frame candle. 1, 2, 3. This one, the blue one, and the black, right? 1, 2, 3. So within these 3 hours, New York open. Anyone that actually took this trade, right? Anyone that actually took this short, because now you have seen that yes, you're bearish, but now you're actually waiting for pullback. So this 12 o'clock London close, that is around 8 p.m. or 7, I guess. So here now actually give and see where your stop loss would have been. Just, will I say, this high, you can just keep 20 pips stop loss. And what was the target? Target here is literally 52 pips. So, and this is a good 2:3 trade. Let's break down to the 15 minutes time frame. I'm just showing you guys what you would have done, like if you were actually like using this mindset of time zone or concept of time zone to actually place your trade, right? So you would have actually see the pullback. It's clear on the 15 minutes time frame anyway. So that is why if you want to trade, you keep refining your trades to the lower time frame, right? So you can see what's happened here, right? Then price literally just went down low and gave you 50 pips with one standard loss. You know the amount. With 0.5 lots, you know the amount you should be actually making. So all these are pure knowledge, and you see this move happen during New York session. So let's say today, now let's bring it to the current market, current price action. Today this is 11.49, and you see this 11 going to 12, right? And now we can see price trying to push up, right? Price trying to push up. So you might end up seeing the same characteristics of the New York open. Price pushing up, then continue the normal day trend. You understand? The sell. Because price literally broke structure recently also, going over to the 4-hour time frame. See this low, this is a long-term low. Like this low now has been broken. This low now has been actually taken out. So waiting for price to retrace, let's say maybe around here or anything, around 1.2300 anything, without actually going higher, right? Can actually sell to go lower, and where should be your next target? Here should be your next target, but it's not like big, so you can actually wait for price to come lower for you to literally buy, right? For it to literally, because overall price literally broke higher, but now we are seeing a change in character in market structure. But all I'm trying to say is section really matters, right? All the market keeps moving, but like if you should focus on overall one section and understand what, and the best place I like using New York session or New York open strategies that I know and I have is on NAS100. That is indices, right? I love trading NAS100. Okay, so if I'm trading NAS100 now, dropping down to the 15 minutes time frame, I'll just view the market structure. Believe me, today it looks like a bearish day, but now you have seen price broke range, went down. Can actually, and there was a gap that was created. So I expect price to literally fill this gap. You understand? If it's keep going, and this is building liquidity anyway. But like my overall structural analysis, if I go to the daily time frame, you guys will see my overall structural analysis. Overall, you can see now we broke structure higher from here. So literally an uptrend. So without this low being taken out, this low currently here, I will still just keep being in an uptrend. And where is the next target? You can see the next target here. But like price will not go up straight to this. No, I'm expecting price to retrace, give me entry at OTE for me to take the trades going back up there. You understand? This is a long-term trade, right? Because see now is on the daily time frame. But if I'm just wanted, like if I want to scalp trading New York, I still know what I'm looking out for. So if you like love to know all this, you want to learn more of what I'm talking about, you understand, do well to contact me to join our VIP mentorship, right? Forex trading is not really is easy. If it's not that easy anyway, it's not that easy, but like it can be easy, right? But you have to just bring out your time to study it and learn the main thing. You understand? Once you know the main thing, you're good to go. So that is that for now. Thank you for watching this YouTube video, and do well to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.